123portuguese.com. Olá, welcome to 123portuguese.com. Here you will find useful information about European Portuguese language in 3 main steps. In the first step, you will learn about the subject. In step 2, you will find some examples. And in step 3, you can put in practice your knowledge through exercises. So, let's learn. In today's lecture, we are going to talk about how to tell time in Portuguese. There are 2 ways to ask time. Que horas são? Or tem horas? Here are the 2 possible answers. The most common is to give the answer in plural form. You say são and then you add the time. São 2 horas, são 4 horas, or são 9 horas. However, there are 3 exceptions to this rule. When it is 1 o'clock, midday, or midnight, we give the answer in singular form. É 1 hora, é meio-dia, or é meia-noite. This is because number 1 is singular and cannot represent a plural. The same happens with the words meia-noite and meio-dia. Now, let's give a glance at how to tell sharp time, a quarter, and half an hour. If you want to tell it is 1 o'clock, as we already saw, you say é 1 hora, it is 1 o'clock. But you can also say é 1 hora em ponto, it is 1 hour sharp. The same logic is applied for the other hours. São 2 horas, or são 2 horas em ponto. São 3 horas, or são 3 horas em ponto. And so on. When you want to tell it is half past some hour, then you say são 4:30, which means it's half past 4, or são 4:30, it is 4:30. If you notice, there is this word e. You can see with the circle in this image. E means and is used when we are telling time, not only on the right but also on the left half of the clock. As you can see when we say são 4:10 or são 4:50. If you want to say it is a quarter past some hour, then you use the expression quarto, a quarter past, or e 15 minutos, which means and 15 minutes. Let's see some examples. É 1 hora e quarto, or é 1 hora e 15 minutos. It is a quarter to some hour, then you say quarto para. Para is a preposition and means to. You can also say e 45 minutos, which means and 45 minutes. For example, são 10 horas e 45 minutos, or é 1/4 para as 11. São 8 horas e 45 minutos, or é 1/4 para as 9. And now let's have a look in some dialogues. Bom dia, tem horas? São 10 horas. Que horas são, João? São 3:30. And now, let's make some exercises. If you want to learn more about how to tell time and see how to say every single hour, you can have a look in the course I made for you. With more than 6 hours of content and a very attractive price, you will be able to learn about how to pronunciate words in Portuguese. We'll learn about grammar, vocabulary, and culture too. Just click in the link below in the comment section if you are watching the video in YouTube, or go to online courses section if you are in the site 123portuguese.com. Adeus!